Warning for South Asian drivers in the UK. If you're from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh or other South Asian countries, then after how many years your foreign driving license will be invalid? Watch till the end to know the number. So you have just moved to the UK and want to drive here. But can you actually drive here with your current license if it's from another country, or do you need to start all over and get a brand new UK license? In this video, we will share what to do if your license is from the European Union or European Economic Area, then what happens if it's from a designated country in the UK. And most importantly, what you must do if you are from a non-designated country like India, Pakistan or Bangladesh. Don't miss this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. So before you sit behind the wheel, hold on. There's something very important you need to know. Because whether you can drive in the UK or not, it depends on which country gave you your license. And the rules are different for different countries. Today we will discuss that if your license is from another country, then what you can do. Firstly, if you're moving to the UK with a valid license from the European Union or European Economic Area, you're good to go. You won't need to take a UK driving test. Rather, you can continue driving in the UK with your European Union or European Economic Area license until you're 70 years old, and no driving test required for this. Once you turn 70, simply exchange your European license for a British one. But don't worry, there's still no driving test needed. Do you have license from one of these countries? Check the screen now. If your country appears on this list, you can skip the UK driving test entirely. So things are easy for you. Just exchange your current driving license for a British one and you're completely done. There is no driving test needed at all. And if your driver's license is from one of the UK's designated countries, you can exchange your foreign license for UK license without taking a new driving test. This is because these designated countries have special agreements with the United Kingdom that allow their citizens to directly convert their license to a British one without needing to retake any driving tests. So, is your country on the designated list? Watch the screen carefully, because this could save you from taking the UK test. So in this case, during your first year in the UK, you can drive freely using your foreign license for 12 months. However, after 12 months but before 5 years have passed, you must exchange your license to continue driving legally without any test. Also, you can't drive during this exchange period, and if you wait longer than 5 years, you'll need to take the full UK driving test. Now, what if your license is from outside of the designated countries list and the European Economic Area or European Union, like India, Pakistan or Bangladesh? You can still drive on your license for up to 12 months after you arrive in the UK. But after that, it's not as simple. You might need to take a UK driving test to get a UK driving license. To do so, the first step is to apply for a provisional British license on the Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency website. We have already made a video on provisional British license, so if you are interested, check out the I button or the link in the description box. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section and we will try our best to answer your questions. Thank you for watching.